USA, some children walk to school, and some children go by car. These children are wearing a uniform. This is Lily. She goes to school by bus. She's wearing a uniform too. This is her school bus. It's big and yellow. This is the bus driver. His name is Joe. He can drive the bus. In the morning, bus drivers take the students to school. And many students in the USA go to school by bus. They get on the bus and they get off the bus at school. Look at all the buses. In the USA, all the school buses are yellow. In the afternoon, the students go home by bus. School buses are fun. How do you go to school? Do you go to school by bus?